Are you a microblading artist and thinking, is it necessary to add shading to microblading procedure? Watch this video for tips on how to do manual shading with microblading. And be sure to stay until the end for a free guide that will help you to learn blade and shade technique in detail. For the best microblading, permanent makeup, aesthetic treatment and training advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. If you want to know when shading is necessary to add after microblading, then watch this video. I will be explaining everything in detail. If you're new to the channel, hi, I am Taiyaba, artist and owner of Software Studio. I have received the Best Permanent Makeup Specialist of the Year 2018 by Oceanic Events in Toronto and have hundreds of happy clients and students. Go and check out my Instagram for hundreds of procedures I have done. Link is in the description below. Now let's get started. Now you know exactly what's involved in microblading and shading hybrid treatment. But do you know which needle to use for microshading technique? To help you, I have created a free ebook on what products, pigments and tools you would need to get started and how to promote yourself on social media. You can download ebook for free by clicking the link in the description. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friend and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. If you have any questions about the microblading and shading process, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.